This is the Jcb Backhoe 3DX Super. Wherever you see construction and road building going on anywhere around the country, you'll most likely see this versatile workhorse of a machine in action. Invented in 1953 by Joseph Cyril Bamford, founder of JCB, the backhoe loader can perform a variety of tasks, including transportation of building materials, excavation, landscaping, and paving roads. The excavator bucket has a breakout force of 5,700 kilos, making it unmatched in productivity. The bucket can also be replaced with a wide range of power attachments, making the backhoe loader an incredibly versatile machine. It comes equipped with a 1.1 cubic meter loader bucket and has an impressive dump height of nearly 3 meters. The bucket's retractable bottom makes unloading easy and efficient and gives the backhoe the ability to be used for grading and scraping. A spacious and comfortable glass cabin with a sloped engine bonnet gives the operator a clear all-round visibility. Equipped with a powerful EcoMax engine, the JCB 3DX Super is a product of JCB's efficient design philosophy, responding to today's rising fuel prices and environmental concerns by applying innovative technologies to squeeze the absolute maximum out of every drop of fuel. Today, JCB is the world's #1 backhoe loader manufacturer, producing almost half of all backhoe loaders. With superior loader and excavator end performance, the JCB 3DX Super 4x4 backhoe loader is the world's best in its class.